Hello guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing you how to get verified on Telegram. So I'll be showing to you now. Let's head to Telegram. So here's my Telegram. Obviously, first of all, you have to download the Telegram app. I'm using an Android phone. So all you have to do is go to Verify Bot, okay? So you can search it on the right top, Verify Bot, okay? So what it says here, what can this bot do? This bot can help you verify a Telegram channel, public group, or bot. Okay, so I've already applied on the 26th of April. So obviously what it's asking here is if I want to start. Yes. It says, hi, I can help you verify an active official channel, bot, or public group. So please see the Telegram verification guidelines. So let's click on what the guidelines are. So this is the page verification guidelines. The Telegram team generally verifies active official channels, bots, or public groups that have verified accounts on at least two of these services. So if you have a verified account on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, VK, Snapchat, I'm not sure what VK is, you can add the link to your Telegram channel to your profiles on these services. So all you have to do is link, let's say if you're verified on Facebook, just link the Telegram channel, your link Telegram channel to your Facebook so they can confirm that belongs to you. Once it is done, you can contact at VerifyBot for verification. So it's also saying here that what if you don't have any verified accounts like Facebook or Instagram and all that? But if you have like a Wikipedia, that will actually support your application. However, if you have an undisputed page on Wikipedia that satisfies Wikipedia's notability guidelines and the page lists a link to your channel, bot, or public group on Telegram, it can be counted as one of the missing verified accounts. Okay. So it's also asking here, can my user account be verified? No, sorry, Telegram doesn't verify user accounts at the moment. So you have to open a public channel, okay? Verification is only available for big and active channels, groups, and bots. Alright, so next one, it says, do I need verification? Note that the verification doesn't give any additional abilities in Telegram. It is simply one of the ways to demonstrate that your channel, group, or bot is official. A link to Telegram on your official site or other official accounts elsewhere can achieve a similar result. So let's go back to my page. So here it says here, what would you like to verify? Please send me a link at your username or your link, which is, this is my Telegram. Okay, so here what you're gonna do here, that's my link. It says on the bottom, or you can go here, share, and you can just copy and send it to them. All right, so we go back to here. So I've sent my at Jonah Manzano official. So, and then this verify bot says, are you sure you want to verify at Jonah Manzano official with the name Jonah? It says that you will not be able to change the short link or name after verification, which makes sense. So if your usual short link is taken on Telegram and you're using the exact username on the other networks, you can claim it as well, okay? So I was saying here, it was on the 26th of April when I did this. It was about 9 a.m. in the morning. I said come back later because I wasn't ready yet. So, but now I'm ready. So I've actually linked my username, which is at Jonah Manzano official, and then /start. And it says here, hi, I can help you verify an active official bot or public group. So you've already done that. So now I've already sent my username. So it says here, are you sure you want to verify at Jonah Manzano official with the name Jonah Manzano? Previous than that, I just put my Jonah, my first name. So now I put my whole name. So I says, yes, continue now. It says, please note that we can only verify active communities or channels. Please come back when you posted something. So there's a problem before. I have to post at least, I think, 5 anything, photos or videos or links on my channel before I do this. Okay, when I've done that, and within like 2 minutes, it says done, check again. So it says here, please note that I can, it's saying here that I have to be active. So I posted as many, more than 5 files on my public channel. So after I've done that, maybe 10 minutes after that, done, check again. It says I can help you verify Jonah Manzano if it has corresponding verified accounts on each of these services. So first it says Instagram or Facebook one is enough. So if you have like Facebook verified, that should be okay. You don't have to have Instagram verified as well. Pretty tough to get verified on Instagram, I said. So if you have Twitter verified account, that would help, and also on YouTube. Okay, to begin, please select a service where you have a verified account. I have selected Facebook because I have a Facebook verified account. So what it's saying here is to verify that you own the Facebook page that corresponds to Jonah Manzano, please put this link in the website section on your Facebook page. So all I have to do is go to my Facebook account and go to your edit profile and add it as a social link and all that. So I save it on my Facebook when I'm ready. So I guess all I have to show it to you on my Facebook. This is my Facebook. As you can see, it says here page musician and band and t.me/Jonah Manzano official. Okay, so this is where I actually added my information, so you can see where you can actually link your Telegram channel. After that, you just save it from Facebook and go back here. So when ready, send me a link to your verified account on Facebook. If you don't have a verified Facebook account, you can send or skip. I send them the link of my Facebook, just send them your actual Facebook link, and then it says here good. Now select one more service where you have a verified account. I send my YouTube link to them. Okay, sorry, I've actually selected YouTube, sorry, and then on YouTube you have to put your link. It's loading here. On your channel, you just have to put the link of your Telegram. Okay, you can see on the bottom near at the bottom of Jiffy it says Telegram. I'm sure you know how to do that. So after that, I've actually gave them my YouTube link. So it's already 9:17 a.m. here. It's about just 10 minutes. So it says good. Now select one more service where you have a verified account. I said no more accounts. So if there's any extra info you would like to add, please send it now. So if you have a Wikipedia, that's good. I just put my website, and that's my domain, jonahmanzano.com. After that, thank you for this information. Unfortunately, your request could not be confirmed automatically. Doesn't mean that you've been denied. It's just because it's a bot, so it needs to actually check by a real human person. Yeah, a real human person. That's so I just have to wait. So at 9:18 a.m., as you can see the time, all I have to wait is 2 hours after that. It says congratulations, at Jonah Manzano official is now verified on Telegram. Check out this page for more ideas for your channel, and that's it. Enjoy.